In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the API key on OpenWeather. So the first thing you want to do is just go to Google and type in OpenWeather and then go to their website, which is openweathermap.org. Click on that. And then from here, as you can see at the very top, you can see it says API. So just click on that. And over here, it says you will have to sign up to use their fast and easy to work with Weather API. Now, as you can see over here, they say as well that when you want to start using OpenWeather products, they recommend this one-call API 3.0, and then for more functionality, you can consider different products that are available down below over here. So usually you will want to go for this one, which is the one-call API 3.0, and as you can see, it says that you can pay as you call, and 1,000 API calls per day are for free. However, after you reach this limit, you're then charged with 0.0014 euros per API call over the daily limit. So if that's not the one you're looking for, you can of course click API doc over here and see more about it. Basically, all the information is available on this site over here. And if we go over here, you can see the professional collections, and they have different multiple APIs over here. If you want to read more about them, you can open up the docs or the API docs and see what they are about and find the one that you prefer. So of course, if you want this one, for example, you will have to press subscribe over here, and then you'll have to put in your information and your billing information, so your billing and your regular information, and then as you can see, you will get the one call 3.0 API subscription base plan, which goes for 0.14 euros per 100 calls with VAT excluded. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get and find the API key. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to see and access your API key. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.